How's that so high? I thought it was streaming at that rate. 2,500. No way. That's like 1080p version. Oh dear. Whoa. Okay. Let's try to fix this. Oh dear. Did I break something? I broke something. Oh, I broke everything. Oh dear. Okay, let's fix this. Where are you, OBS? Google hit. Settings. I don't know why you acting so stupid. I didn't tell you to do all this. Output. It says bitrate 3,000, so what the hell? It is 3,000. Why are you sending it out more than that? We're gonna have a fight, aren't we? Yes. So careful you lose it. Well, I'm only human. I know there's a place where your heart is. You know how to lose it. What the hell? Oh, hell no. All right. Oh, why did it you cannot see the night? What the hell was that? I didn't tell you to do all that. Boo head. Don't fight with me. 10,000? What the macaroni and cheese you thinking? Go. Fix yourself. Fix yourself before you wreck yourself. I'm gonna pick your butt, boo-boo head. Don't do that. Okay. Oh dear. That's not good. Now if I can just see what you're saying outside of the chat, we'll see. So careful or you lose it. Girl, I'm only human. I know where's a bay where your heart is. I know how to use it. Yeah, you see the face and I wanna lie. Okay, I think I got everything. I got it, sort of. I did pause it right. Yeah. I understand. I've tried my hardest. There we go. Easy peasy fish for cover girl. I didn't even know I could do that. Seriously. Wrong stream? Not really. I just I didn't get to start it correctly. I was sending it out at the signal that's way too strong. So I had to reduce the stream power to be a little bit lower. Okay, a lot bit lower. It was going like 10 times too much. But I see what you're saying. I have, like I said, YouTube always has two streams. So it's vertical and horizontal. So I think you might be on the vertical one. But I have the horizontal one there too. I'm on the other ones as well. I get to do some coding and creating today, so I wanted to do that while chatting with you guys. If you guys are still here or not, I don't even know anymore. I have absolutely no idea anything anymore. I don't know what's going on. I never know. You think I know what's going on with my logic today? I never know what's going on with my logic. My logic doesn't make sense. Am I even live? See, it doesn't even say if I'm live on Twitch. What the heck? I thought I was live on Twitch. I did say live on Twitch, didn't I? Oh, I didn't push the button. I forgot to push that button. I didn't push this button on Twitch. That's what I was wrong. I forgot to push that button. I forgot. I say, what the heck? Ipsy lipsy poopsie. There is some room for you. Okay, I think that's everything. Let's do a test on every chat to make sure. Test. Yeah. I see you. I see you. Hi, what's that? How are ya? Hiya. Hi. Oh, God. Oh, okay. That's scary. Let me close it up. Alright, fine. Okay. Okay, let's just minimize that. Okay. I gotta be careful not to take my headphones off because that would cause a problem. that YouTube would definitely pick up on. Okay, hi, Wolfchins. Hi, excuse me. Hi, archaeologist. Hi, gamer ghost. Hi, hi, hi. Ow. What do you mean, ow? I didn't hit you yet. I didn't hit anybody yet. Oh, okay, that's another story. That was not my fault. You can't blame that on me. That was not my fault. I didn't do anything yet. I gotta do stuff to cause trouble, you know. Hi. So, guess what we're doing today? We are coding. I'm going to code a system that will allow you guys to pick games you want me to play. So, I've been having problems dealing with this for quite a while because I have to do it on multiple angles. So right now, I'm going to build the page where I could actually let you guys see the games that are available. Then I'm going to build a page for me to put all the games in there. Then I'm going to take that big ass notebook that's filled with over 400 discs and put in all my Koei Tecmo games in there and then work my way on from there. So, yeah, I'm going to be making some code stuff while I'm just going to sit here and chat with you guys. Oh my gosh, Twitch is in the wrong category again. What the hell? I did not say no freaking Stellar Blade. What the hell? Twitch, you boo-boo head. Stop acting like a boo-boo head. Twitch, meanie. Twitch, where are you? I don't know what Twitch is. It's driving me nuts. Is it here? Oh, there. Oh, there. Okay, there. I gotta find that sucker. It's not Stellar Blade. I'm not doing Stellar Blade. Why do you say Stellar Blade? Oh, it is Stellar Blade. Never mind. I forgot to change it. Ah, fucking Chanel. Moonside. So as usual, I am always on one-to-one platform. I am on Twitch, I am on YouTube, I am on DLive, and I am on Kick today. If you're on Kick, you get to hear the music. If you're not on Kick, you don't get to hear it. So, sorry about that, but I am not going to get in trouble for copyright. So, I am sorry about that. It ain't happening. I just put this under art. Technically, it's coding, but I can't find a category on Twitch. Oh, don't start that spam on me. Come on. Get rid of that spam. No spam. I don't want the spam. I'm not going to be a superstar who's getting millions of viewers. I'm not that type of person. Don't spam me with that crap. No. Quit that. Don't be meanie. Especially when you guys use the exact same script every time. Stop spamming bots. No. Okay? Okay. So. Okay. So. Before we get started, I want to show you guys something. Okay. I think they noticed. And I'm not sure if I haven't got to go live on Twitter yet, but yes, Izumi Games, the creators of the Talents visual novel that I've been playing for a while, did some art grade for me, of me, in my blue outfit. So I just wanted to show it to you guys. I did it. But yes, I wanted to show you guys because it's so nice. I like it. It looks much nicer than what I could draw. Okay? I'm loving it. So I just wanted to show it to you. I am showing it to y'all, right? Yeah, I am. Okay. Okay. So let's see. What am I doing? I am causing trouble. Woo! So. What am I going to do today? I'm breaking stuff. That's what I'm going to do. What the heck are you doing over here? Okay. I am... Okay, this vertical. Okay, I was like, what the heck is all that? Okay. I am making a addition to my website. If you don't know what my website is, I will show you what my website is because it's easier to show it than to explain it because I can't talk that much without making any sense. I don't make sense. Me making sense is not a thing, okay? I am the webmaster and web host of a site called TokyoPopRocks.club. This site has been going on for probably 20, 30, 20-ish. I don't know, 25. I don't know when I started it. I know I did. I had this website going even longer than I've been a streamer. Okay, okay. It's my own personal website where I buy game codes and I give you guys the opportunity to turn your channel points into vouchers that you can use to pick out game codes. So for years, we have what's called the red voucher, which is pretty much every game that I buy in a bundle that I don't want or that I have duplicates of that I don't need, and I put those all in here for you. There's also the S vouchers, which are games I paid a little bit more for or games that are more in demand that I lock to my community. There's a bank system where people can oh, thanks for the sub there, Matt Lee. Thank you. Have you got to how you doing emotionally? How are you? I am always emotionally AFK. I'm mentally AFK as well. My brain is always checked out. We have a system where people can save vouchers to redeem and build up to something better. And I'm about to release something called the R voucher, which is a request voucher, where I will allow people to pick out a game from my game library, which I'm still building, but I'm going to have to expand on it, where they could actually pick out any game that they see that I have available. Go a little bit quieter right there. That's a little bit closer. Where people can actually pick out any game that they see that's in my library and actually select that game that they want me to play during one of my days of the week. That's what I'm working on. That's going to be my project. So I'm going to try to either use this existing system or create a whole new system. It might be better for me to create a whole new system because I want to add a lot of variables to it, a lot of searchable fields that I don't have up here. This is a simplified version for everyone on the site, but I want to make it more complex for myself. So I'm going to add it where people can search for it by title, by genre, by publisher, by a game type, things like that. And that's what my task is for today. I am outlining my process here. Let's go to 800. Oh God, that's way too big. Okay, that's a little bit better. So I'm going to have it set up where each field is going to have a table. It's going to have this data. It's going to have the title. It's going to have an icon for the game title game. It's going to say what system I'm playing it from. And some games I do have on more than one system. It's going to have it go by the publisher, under the genre. So like if it's a JRPG game or if it's a story choice game or hack and slash game, that type of thing. The publisher, which could be the publisher of a game or their developer company. I might have it linked to a streamer field, so if I actually decide to expand this to other streamers, I'll have it as that, where it actually identifies which streamer has this game, and a listing of which requests are in the queue already and which ones are next set to be offered. So, or like is this game already being requested by someone else, is what I mean. So that's what I'm going to be aiming for. Am I making any sense, or did I just totally confuse everybody? I think I did totally confuse everybody and made everybody run away. I have that effect on people. Oh, what do you guys think? What do you guys think of my plans? The fun part, if you could call it fun, is setting it up where data from here is going to be going into data from here, which is in a database that I'm working with. So I'm going to have to delete a lot of stuff that's not being used or rename it for something else. So I got the game name is going to be the title. Icon will be the logo. Summary, I forgot about summary. I better put that in as a new field because I'm gonna need a little description. Insert table, insert row. Summary. Just this little 2 or 3 sentence blob that tells what it's about. So I better put that in there. Select all. No. Okay. Do not select the whole table, just that, and bold it. Don't you dare start that stylish stuff with me. Let's go strong. Don't do that crap. No. Just go bold. Why can't you just go bold? Why? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You want to fight? I am not dealing with this. Okay, go for the whole table. Let's bold it all. Okay, fine. You want to fight with me? I'll just go for bold on everything. Forget it. You want to mess me up like that? Screw it. STRONG. Strong. Luckily for me, I don't need to have the interface to design with because I can type it all up in code. That's my special skill. I am a web coder. I just use this so it's easier to align tables and such. Because it gets a little confusing when you try to code tables into codes. Okay. So got the summary. What else do I need? Okay, got the summary. I guess devs would be the same as publisher. We don't have genre in here. I had series. I didn't have that. I need to add series. I'm gonna change that. Let's change the structure. Can I change the structure? Yeah. Let's change it all into a general category. I'm not gonna have it as Twitch and Kick because that's not gonna matter in this case. Let's have category and we don't have genre, so let's fix that. Edit that. I need genre. Genre is quite important. Gotta be careful with that because I only have 50 characters set up for that one. Unless I decide to make it longer and then have it as a parser. I might do that. Can I go a bit more? No, I can't move that. Okay. Fine. Okay, so we got that. What else do I need for the table? Let me think. If it's going to have streamer, I have to have a field for the streamer who has it. Maybe? Let me think. I think so. No? I don't know. Let me think. Maybe streamer ID? Or streamer name? Otherwise, it's going to be a lot of overlap. Who cares about overlap right now? I'm going to keep it all distinctive. So I'm going to add streamer and open request. Requested by. Yeah. Streamer and requested by. I need to add those as fields. So I'm going to add 2 columns to my database. After genre. Okay. Streamer. Streamer name. And that'll be a variable character. Let's go for the longest streamer username I can think of. How many characters do I need for the gaming archaeologist? Let's see how many characters I need for the maximum space. Let's see. Oh, there's a T there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 characters at least. Okay, so a variable character of at least 25 characters. Okay, and requested by. Requested by. Let's get that as a simple. Requested by. Keep that as a variable character. Can also keep that 25 characters. Still here to make you bet. Okay, well, that is literally TMI. I did not need to know that. I did not need to know that. That is definitely TMI. That I wish you would have kept to yourself, to be perfectly honest. Okay. Let's see here. Hi, Frostbite. How are ya? I'm making stuff. And I'm shaking a flavored drink that's going to keep me awake for hours. Hiya. I am coding a website using SQL, HTML, and PHP. I am going to give people the opportunity to use a new type of voucher to pick what games they want me to play. So I'm trying to make it simple where I can have it set up where it's going to pull up certain information. So let's test this out first. I spent most of the day resting, and I did a lot of studying for my class. But I just need to study a little bit more so I could go ahead and take the test before Sunday. So I'm trying to reread all of chapter 1 and get it memorized. So it'll be fresh in my head when I take the test. And I'm trying my best not to draw a blank this time. So I did a lot of reading. I've actually been listening to the chapter as well, trying to memorize everything. Tomorrow I'm going to try typing the whole thing out to see if I could memorize it that way. And reading it as I type it maybe might help. I'll try doing the end of chapter test to see if that can help me out before taking the final class, final quiz. My main goal is to make sure I pass this class, so I'm trying my best. But it's a lot to memorize. I was expecting to have a lecture or a video or a live session with the teacher to study and learn it with, and to actually keep referring to that over and over again so it can get stuck in my head. But all I have is a PowerPoint and the reading assignment. And the PowerPoint is literally the reading assignment broken up into 117 slides. So it's a little bit tedious for me to go back and forth and try to memorize all this. But I'm trying my best. But today I'm just going to give my brain a little break by making me think of something entirely different. Like coding. I feel a lot better when I'm coding, honestly. It helps me keep my brain fresh and processing stuff. I feel better when I'm solving a problem that I'm making. Oh, it's definitely fun. I've been playing the Dynasty Warriors series since the PlayStation 2 era. And every game, well, almost every game, has been an improvement of the next ones. I can't say the same for Dynasty Warriors 6 Empires because that was a misstep. A very bad misstep, and so was Dynasty Warriors 9. But I will say the rest of them have been very good. And it's not just Dynasty Warriors. It's Samurai Warriors, Dynasty Warriors Gundam, Hyrule Warriors, One Piece Pirate Warriors, Fire Emblem Warriors. They have so many games that can be used their system that you could literally play any type of Warriors game and still understand what's going on. The most challenging, I think, so far that I've played so far is the Zelda one. Because not only do you have the basic Musu, you also have to remember how you beat major characters in the actual game in order to beat them in the Warriors version. Like, one character, you have to throw bombs in their eyes or bombs in their mouths in order to get through them. Otherwise, they're going to throw you across the screen over and over again. To the follow there, Justin TV made you. Oh my gosh, that's a callback. Justin TV, I have not heard that name in how long? Back when I first joined Twitch. I joined Twitch back when it was called Justin TV. But yep, I love hacking. Love it. It's my favorite form of hack and slash game. And I also like the Empires games more than I like the mainline games because you actually get to boss around other characters and say, "You do this, you do this, you do this. I'll kick all the crap." That's what I love the best about those. And also the fact that I could do shipping. I could actually woo, pun intended, woo certain officers to be on my side or to become my lawfully wedded husband. And I think in Dynasty Warriors 8 Empires is where they actually let you have a kid with those particular officers. Sometimes they look all cute. Sometimes they look like abominations. Like, whoa, no. Now you see why I keep trying to hunt down Zhao Yun every time I play that game. Give me a Warriors Orochi Warriors and then Warriors Orochi Empires and I'll be happy. Ah, I got the hiccups. Okay. Oh. Whoop. So let's see here. How am I going to pull this off? I am going to need your SQL system to input the data. So I'm going to try a sample. Let me grab a disk. Actually, no, I don't even need to grab a disk. I got a cartridge. I have a cartridge of Hyrule Warriors Age of Imprisonment right here in my hand. And I'm going to put this into the database as my first selection. So I'm going to go to SQL. And I'm going to zoom this in as much as I freaking can so you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. If I can blow it up bigger. Come on now. Okay, that's not what I want to do. I want to insert. So I'm looking for SQL to insert data. So it's auto-generating an ID, so I don't have to worry about that. It's asking for, the first field is going to be the game title. So that title will be H-Y-R-U-L. I can't spell. you. H-Y-R-U-L-E. I-R-S. Hyrule Warriors. Age of IMPRISONMENT. I don't have an image for that yet, but I want to put I'm gonna just put it on a placeholder until I get it fixed here. Call it JPEG because I'm probably gonna be a JPEG. Okay. Summary. What is the summary for this game? I don't know. What is the summary? I just tried to look on the back. I'll just call it Zelda kicks ass in ancient Hyrule. A Musu based game. I cannot spell. Using the, I guess the Tears of the Kingdom engine. That's pretty much all it is. Okay. Developers. Obviously Koei Tecmo. Trailer. Oh, what? I forgot I had a feel for that. Is there a trailer for this one? I forgot about that. I should have had a trailer. I forgot to look for a trailer! Let's look on YouTube. Oh, God. Trailer. I just need a YouTube video of it. There we go. Nintendo Direct. Copy. Link address. Easy peasy, beautiful cover girl. It's going to be an embed anyway, so. Okay. I'm going to embed it anyway. I'm going to actually make a script that will embed all trailers. Okay. A series. Oh my god. What the hell is that crap? Don't add all that crap to here. God. No. I don't need all that crap. Get rid of all the extra variable crap. Usually when you have a long string of crap like that, anything that's after the question mark is the start of a variable, and after an and sign is a bunch of other variables being attached on. So you could actually delete everything off of the and sign if you don't need all that other crap. That'll save you a lot of trouble. And the series will be Hybrid Warriors. And I'm going to call this category Musu because it's literally that's the category. Genre. Hack and slash. Streamer name. SillySandyAJ. And requested by no one. I'm going to keep that blank. Viewer. Keep it blank because when I first put them in there, it's not going to matter. So leave it that way. Okay, and now I have an SQL string I can use as a template in my web coding. So I'll replace those variables for what I want it to be put into the field forms. And that's how I'm going to make this work. So let's start this off. Get back over here. Where's my... Okay. So do I have a add.php? Yeah, let's do that. Open you up. Let's add a table. Insert form. Yeah, form to be added. And that's what this big red line is. I'm not sure you can see it though, but yeah, this big red line. Okay, it's going to be a table. Table. No. Why you gotta do this? Okay, fine. I just do it manually. Okay. So first going to insert the tags for what it's going to be in based off of everything that was in that paper there. Get your butt over here. Okay. So first thing is going to be ID. I don't need to worry about that. I do need the game name. So title. Insert form. Text field. Game name. Okay, the value of that would be called game name. That way I'll be able to track it down easier. Icon. Okay. Why are you doing this? I want you to all be centered. Horizontal center. Vertical. Top. Alignment. Don't start that crap on me. Okay. Okay. Icon? I used to call it icon. Okay, and this time I'll have the field be an insert. Come on now. Don't fight with me. Horizontal center. Vertical top. I need a upload box image. Insert. Form. File field. Also need insert form text field. That way, if there's already an existing image, I can have it show up as a text field. But if there's no text field, I'm setting it up to show up as a field box. Insert summary. Hey, whoa, whoa. We could be legends. This is going to be insert form text area. We're just going a whole bunch of lines. So I can actually have more than one piece of data in there. I just go for design to show a little bit easier. Oh God, you're so tiny. Can I go zoom in a little bit more? Because you're too tiny. Oh God, that's way too much. Hi, Wolfjan again. I see ya. Yep, we're still making coding a website. And I'm making a mess out of it. Okay, so we got the basics here. We got the title field, we have icon field, we have summary field. What else do I need? Dev field. Devs. Okay. And insert form. I'm gonna need a text field for that one. Okay. I think I screwed something up. I forgot to put labels on my additions here. I'm called up icon, exist icon. That way I'll have a backup just in case. Okay, what's after devs? Trailer. Okay, and that's going to be a text field. Insert form text field and putting trailer. Let go. Let go. Okay, what else? Series. Also, it's going to be a text field. I leave my path so high and let go. Let go. Let go. Insert a text field there. Form text field. Mean that for series. And this song's for me to sleep, so I need to skip it. Not that one. Too sleepy. Okay. I have to change it. I don't want any ballads. But yes, if you guys are watching on Kick, you could actually add songs to the song request and listen to the music I'm listening to. I'm not going to put that on YouTube because that'll get me in trouble. Category. Come on now. Oh, why don't you ever listen to me? What are you? Insert form text field. And genre. Insert. Oh, no. Genre. See, I'm not sure how category and genre might be separate, but I think I might need an extra division that won't be covered by everything else. Like Musu is definitely its own category. Everyone knows Musu, but some people might put it under the genre of hack and slash or something like that. So, oh, what do I do? I broke something. Insert form. Did I just screw up something? What did I just do? What did I just do? Undo form. I added a form within a form. I'm like, what the hell? I said, what the heck did I do? Why isn't anything showing up? And no, I inserted a separate form inside of a form. Go figure. Sounds like something I would do, honestly. Insert form text field. This be the genre. Okay. That's going to be a hidden field, so I don't have to worry about that. Or maybe I need to. I actually don't need spaces. I don't need those really, because it's going to recognize the username when based off the cookie that's logged in, so it should be okay. I needed that. Okay. Okay, so let's do a little bit of a contrast here because this sucks. Okay, we need to change the back, not the text color. Not the text color. Don't start that crap with me. Don't start that crap with me. I just need this whole area to be having a dark background. And this whole area here to have a different color background that's opposite but not quite distinctly different. That kind of works. Makes it a little bit easier. Character width the max characters. I'm gonna go for 50 on everything. I'm gonna put a blank in here. Okay. If I had to increase the other ones, it might make more sense. Why did I have that on here? Sheesh. No soft songs. Why you keep playing soft songs? Quit it. I didn't pick that song. Okay. Okay. 50. 50. Okay. Well, that works with that. Save that. Okay. Now, how am I going to pull up the data? That's a question. I'm not sure. It's going to hurt my head. I have the feeling this is going to hurt my head too much. How did I pull this off last time? How did I pull this off? Thinking. I'm not sure how I'm going to lay this out. It's easy to do it in an image format, but it's hard breaking up the image into actually making it a solid image without it breaking, which it did a lot when I first changed this layout around. I don't know. How am I going to pull this off? Let me think. Browse. Okay, we've got the information here. I'm not sure how to handle this. My head hurts too much. See, I don't even want to do it now. I'm just looking at all the code I have to do to pull, insert and pull the stuff out, and it's making me angry already. That's how bad it feels. I'm just looking at what I have to do, and it's just making me mad. Okay, fine. I just use a basic system here. Can I open you? I just need the same functions. Just give me the same functions. I did this before. See, I should have just did this. I should have just did this. God damn it. Why am I making things so hard on myself? I have it working. Sort of. Is this working? Add again.php. I feel so dumb. I'm going through all this and I already have a basic system I can just copy from. Okay, hold on. Let me think. Upload that PHP. Let's see. Not code, just the data. Okay, that's my upload for the pictures. Okay, I got that. Okay. Okay, okay. Fine, 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 fine. Okay. I see you. I see you. Same concept. I don't even need to. I could just. Jesus. Screw this. We copy this whole damn thing. Copy that crap. Copy it. Yo. I don't even have. Oh, that's the icon. Never mind. Control Z. System. See, I don't have an option for system. I need that option. I don't have an option for system. I cannot spell. Of course, this has to be updated because this has been updated. Like, I don't even know when I made this script. Oh, this is back when the PS4 was new. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't have a PS5, so it doesn't matter. Okay, but I need to add Switch 2 because it is now an option. Nintendo Switch 2 is now an option. She's down nowhere to be found. Okay, what else do I have that's not on here? I do have a Stream Deck, but I can't stream from that, so this doesn't matter. iOS, Android, Neo Geo Pocket, Neo Geo Pocket Color, Sticky Game Gear. I'll still add PS5, even though I don't have it. Maybe someone else might want to use it if they use this system. Fine. Okay. I don't even know. Xbox One. See, I don't even know the whole Xbox system situation. Series X. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I think I got them all right. PS5, PS4, PS3, PS2, PS1. Do I have PlayStation Vita? Yes. Okay. So that is system. What am I doing? Okay. Where's the code I put in for this one? All right, all right. Why you coming at me with this knife? Where's this at? Uh-oh. I think I broke something. Uh-oh. I think I broke something. That's my camera. Hey, 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 hey. I got lost. I forgot where I was. Uh-uh. Thank you for that too. Take another bite. Not hard enough to chew. Careful or you lose it. You're howling human. And what the way where your heart is. I forgot what I was doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I misplaced it. Macaroni fried cheese. Where is the stuff? Okay, I don't know. I totally lost it. There it is. I found it. Okay. Oh. Oh. Where's the other one though? Yeah, you. Structure. Um. System. After genre. SYSTM. Did I forget something? Yeah, I think I did. She said, careful or you lose it. But girl, I'm only human. Where's the fun fly? 5. How many characters do I need at the most of this one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at the most there. Oh, yeah, I need that one. How many Dreamcasts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9 for that. Looks like I need at least 9. Probably I'll round it up to 10. Just in case I need more space in the future. So that needs to be a variable character with 10 in the length. Got it? Okay, got that. Okay. Careful, you lose it. And I could change the status of this one because you now have that more information. And this is switch 2. There we go. I don't know. See, I'm kind of iffy about this requested by field. So I want to have it as a trigger, but I'm not sure if I want to say if it's requested by a person or have that as a different database or not. I'll figure it out. We'll see. Okay. Where's my thingy? Okay, insert another row. And we need a submit button. Form button. The button to submit. Okay, that'll work. And I am going to pretty much copy paste this entire script that I have for another system and repurpose it for my new system script. Let's find where the hell I put that folder. Can I go refresh? I think something's missing here. There you are. New file. R. Upload R. That'll be easier. See what I've seen. Want you to be where I've been. Okay. Okay. DB link is going to have to go up a pattern. So Target directories uploads slash. So let's make a new folder in here. Uploads. Set it in a new folder called uploads. Okay. Has the files. See, that's the Python script. So I have a Python script, but then a PHP script that's tied into a JavaScript, then tied into an SQL script. It's all types of craziness. Okay. Start var dump. Come on. Just putting in where I'm going to put in the new variables and close the variables. Variable. Okay, that way I can keep track of everything. Okay, the cover is going to stay the same, so I can put that at the end. Not losing that. The title is going to stay the same. System's going to stay the same because that's a new thing. Username still will be my name, so keep that as a hidden variable because it's going to be based off of the login script from the TPR list system, I think. The world will stop for you. Next script's going to be a pain in the butt. But actually, let's see here. Let's close you up because we have our system for uploading here. Staying. Actually, adding. Our title is game name. So copy that. Put that under our upload. I was requesting game name. Okay, got that. Okay, got that. Icon. That's going to be the cover. We got that already. See, I'm not going to need that if it's going to be existing. Because hey, Quay, how are ya? If it was already existing, I won't need that, but I might save that for editing, though. So I'll leave that space there in case I need it for editing. But summary. We need a field for summary now. Uh-oh. Okay. Summary is always a problem. Hopefully I don't have to worry about this one, but it might come back and hurt me. So let's see. So $summary is equal to the dump request, which is going to be $_ request. Capital? Yeah, capital. QUDST. Box bracket. Oh, I spelled that wrong, didn't I? Yeah. Box bracket. Dash. And then the word summary. Dash. Close box bracket. Semicolon. And that should fix it. I'm trying to keep all the variable names the same so it won't be lost in the process. That's what I'm aiming for. What else we need? Okay, devs. Keep that over there. We might still need it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this first. Just pull over all the variables first. Trailer. Yeah, we need that. Trailer. What else? Series. We got series, right? Yeah. So category. Category. Can you feel the power? You and I talk about them all. And yes, song quest is all active on Kick if you want to listen to your own song. So you want to add your own music, you have that power. Just do exclamation point SR space and the song you want to hear. Genre. Gonna get them all pulled over here so I won't mess up any of the data. Do I have system? I think I have system already. Okay. Now we'll go for this. We feel they're far away from outer space. $sign. Come on now, don't act stupid on me here. I move that mouse out the way. I can't see it. Trailer? Do I have a zoomer? I don't know if I have a zooming thingy. That goes even tighter. I'm gonna zip it in so you can see it a little bit better. Go focus window. That should work. You guys should see it a little bit better, I think. Okay, I can see a little bit better what I'm doing. Hop in that trailer. Move that sucker over there. Get your butt over there. Come on now. Come on. Go that way. You go this way. You go that way. You go this way. No, oh, you won't go that way. You don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'll be kicking your butt. Let's get rid of all these broken codes. Semicolon and oh god, freaking. Ah, get your butts over there. Come on. Yeah, get rid of the bad code. Hell yeah. Okay, I need to increase that because it's actually going up a layer. You can say far away out of space. Okay. Now I need to do the insert data, which is all kind of crazy because I am not doing the same thing I did before. I am going to change my entire SQL code to be an entirely different script. So, take rid of all that crap. Close that and close it. Get rid of all that. Get rid of all that. All that. Okay. Now, Remember that code we copied earlier with all that junk? This junk. I got to copy all of this and replace it. So my new execute code is going to be, I'm using this as a template, but now I'm going to replace all of the stuff we put in before with the placeholders for all of the variables that's coming from that form. So for example, instead of saying Hyrule Warriors Age of Imprisonment, we're going to type in whatever the game name is at that point. I know. Okay. So let's see. So we're deleting that. Game name. Okay. The image is going to be whatever the cover file is going to be. Hopefully it works. Okay. Summary. But I'm into it. I'm into it. Okay. Devs. $devs. Type in that. Put that into here. I'm into it. She's in way too deep. I'm looking into it. I'm into it. I'm into it. Into it. Okay. Trailer. Copy that. That's going to be where that YouTube URL is at. Okay. What do we have next? Series. Yeah, I'm into it. I'm into it. Okay. Category. Hack and slash. It's genre, right? Yeah. Genre. Okay, we don't need that here. But I do need that to be my name. $ my name. Because that's my site variable for the user's name. So whoever's logged in is going to be my name. Not my name specifically, but whoever's logged in. So, yeah. Okay, I don't think it needs any other variables, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me think. Does it need to go into any other data? Does it need to go into anything else? Let me think. Okay, I think it's cleared. Get rid of that. Get rid of all that, because we don't need that anymore. Okay, we need to close up this string. Okay, got rid of all the syntax errors. And aref add game add.php. User name. Okay. Okay, and that's the variable. It's not, this right here isn't really necessary, but I do it anyway so I could actually make sure that all variables are showing up as they're supposed to be. So why don't I just do it this way? Field set. Legend. Field set legend. Started off with a title or game name. $sign game name. Close up the legend. Okay. Got that. Close up the field set at the end there. /FIELDSET. Closing it up, the field set. And let's do a bullet point listing of all the data we put in there. So that'll be a organized list. So it's a UL, uniform list, and then LI for each link, each dot. And then I just put in each of them. And close LI for each one. Copy about like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I don't even know how many I need. Just put a bunch of them. Okay. And then we put in all the data that's supposed to be inside of this data. Okay. So game name, image. So the first thing is going to be this icon. Before I go for the uniform list, let's do a break. Actually do an image. IMG SRC equals dot dash dash, and I want it to be align. That was one option for aligning, wasn't there? Guess not in that mode, huh? Style. Alignment. No, it's not alignment, it's just. It's after style, plus alignment. Something about alignment. P alignment, not the border, not color, not counter. Why don't I just do the whole thing in field sets? It'll be a lot easier than dealing with tables. You said again, well, I'm not like them. I will find wealthy. I want somebody. That's what it's gonna be me. I thought that was a P align. Well, I guess not. Text align. I thought it was an image align though. You have an image align? I don't know. Let's see if it's an image align. If not, then I just go for text align. Line style, no. Inline box, no. No, it has to be text align then. Oh, I don't want to do all that. Never mind. You're going to break up my system. Just deal with it. Leave it as an image source. I'm not fighting with you. There comes a day when okay, where do we put this image? Uploads. Uploads in the image. It's gonna be me. All that I do is not enough for you. Don't wanna lose it. And I'm not like that. And cover. Okay, this should actually display the image. Width equals no longer than 100 pixels. Actually, no. 300 pixels should be okay. Okay. Okay, now we got it. Everything's enough for you. And you want to lose it again. Okay, we got the image. We got the cover. What else? Guess what? Okay, summary. Okay, let's do a bold. Oh, no, I need the word summary in bold. Now close the bold with the slash and B. Make it space. Then we put the summary in the line. Okay, what else? Developmenting. Devs. Close the B. Don't do that. Okay, got that. What's next? The trailer. This will be tough. Let's see the trailer for the last part. Series. Series. Colon. Close the B. Variable. Series. Got it. Okay. Category. Come on. Baby B. Can't spell. That was not supposed to happen. I made an extra dash. Okay, got the category now. Now for the genre. No. Uh-uh. B. Oh, no. Okay. Edit by. Okay. And the user. Now, trailer. Do I have a B? Yeah, I have a B. Do I close the B? I have to close the B. Okay, close the B. Variable for trailer. Okay, now this is going to be the tricky part. I need to go to YouTube for this one. Because I need to find the code that YouTube uses to embed trailers. So let's go to share, embed. Oh God. Okay, let's copy that. Just copy basic. Oh yeah, basic embed script. And this is going to be the hardest part. And this is going to need a colon and a break. This is going to need to be on a separate line. And here comes the fun part. Okay. I have a whole bunch of crap that just broke my script. See that red line? That means the script is broken. Why? Because it added stuff I didn't need. So, well, the easiest way to fix this is to change a simple variable set. Make a new echo. With a simple quotation instead of an external. Oh, there's an extra thing in here, huh? Which means it has more than one variable. Why? Why are you acting so silly? Maybe because this is not the echo that ended. There we go. Okay, so we got this code fixed, but it's not showing the data I want. Because right now it's showing a thing about a Batman video. I don't want that. So what I'm doing is taking what's SI? I don't know what SI is. I don't know. Okay, this is gonna be harder. I need to do a strip. I have to strip something. I have to strip a variable. God damn it! Damn it! Okay, I didn't want to have to do this. How am I gonna do this? Let's look at this real quick. Where's that video we saw earlier with Zoda? Is this one? No. Um. Let's see again. What are you doing? You're not showing my screen. What the heck? Okay, it's not showing the screen I want it. Okay, it's acting stupid again. Okay. What's going on here? Let me see something. What's the difference in the script? What's the difference? What are the differences between these two scripts? Why does it have something in here that is not supposed to be here? Let's see. Let me see something. Let's see. I'm gonna look at this whole script. Check off the word wrap. And I want to find out what is the difference between these two URLs that has something weird. Okay, that's the one for the Batman. And that's the one for Zelda. Is it reading me as a sourcer? Let's see. What is different about these is changing. Okay, I copied the same data twice. That's why. Okay, well, that certainly didn't help. I thought I copied this, though. Okay, so it is different. Okay. SI. What's SI? I don't know what SI is. I don't know what SI means. I have no idea what SI means. Is it possible to embed it without the SI though? I don't know. We're about to find out. I've been running high when you playing my name. All right. So what I need to do is replace PHP replace. It's been a while since I did this. What I need to do is set it up where the variable will replace a URL with a different URL. If that makes any sense. Which means I need to convert it before I put it into the database then. Okay. Let's see. PHP. I'm just looking in. Oh, let me show that what I'm looking at here. Why are you not showing what I'm looking at? So evil. Okay. Okay. I guess I just want to show it, huh? Fine. So what I'm doing is looking at how I could change something. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to need to use str I replace for case insensitive place. Okay, so let's try using that. Oh, you people, can't you see? Can't you see? Oh, that's why. Okay. So, let's change that trailer before we get to it. Make it easier. Okay, so we got the trailer in here. Get all that out. So how are we going to do this? Okay, equals. Oh, so I get to do it at the start. Okay. I didn't want that. I want str replace. Happy. Body tag equals str replace Control X. Where's the original variable though? I think the original variable is what? Okay, so let's see. Okay, I got it. Okay, so if variable equals this equals the text, that's mean, huh? Body tag. Ah, I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Okay. We know that this the text is being replaced with it. This is the case that will be triggered by it. I think. Is that the variable? Here's another way. You know, let's go for that. Tell me more about this. Hmm. What? Really? Lock music locked me out again. I don't know why this Mikey's doing that. Oh well. That's not nice about Mix. Let me see what I get this. I need my jams back. Okay. Fine. Didn't already hear that. Yeah. Let's get that over there. Okay. 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 Why do you make this so complicated? Oh God. Oh God. That's it. Okay, you guys can't see this mess, but oh man, why can't you just show it? Jeez. It's very complicated. It's quite complicated, and I ain't liking it. I ain't liking how complicated they're making this. Okay, it's scaring me. Okay, this is what I was looking for. String. I am so confused. Array string search. Array. So is array the body? What? Okay, I do want it to do a replace. Maybe I should look at the ACS because it's really pissing me off. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I need to see a simple way to understand this because I know what it needs to do, but I'm not sure what it wants me to do. Oh, I just thought. Regular expressions. Huh? Is it preg replace? Let's try something else. Search Andrew, replace Adam. STR. Okay, fine. That's all I want. That's all I want to do is replace a simple string. Why do you gotta be so complicated? Search for that, replace it with that. Search for, search, replace with, search. Okay, I got it. You got that. Okay. Okay, so let's try this. Copy that. Okay. That was a pain in the butt. Okay. So we got it as trailer str replace. And I think I screwed something up because I lost my variable. Okay. So let's write down our example. So it's str replace. Okay. Okay. Declare a variable. So what we're searching for? Search equals data and replace. I can't spell. Equals data. Okay. Okay. And new var. Okay, come on. We almost got this. We almost got this. Come on. We're getting very close here. So I wanted to search for I wanted to search for youtube.com/watch and v equals. That's what I wanted to search for. Let's put that in. What have I done? What have I broken? Okay. Okay, searching for that phrase and replacing it with our embed URL. Okay. Now. Sentence. Okay, and sentence is going to equal request trailer. Okay. Now, trailer is going to be our new sentence. We're going to replace all of this with stri replace and bring this down. Hopefully it works. What have I done wrong? Oh, I messed up. Okay. Now we set it up where the trailer will automatically give a URL that's an embed URL instead of direct link. So now all I have to do is put in the variable for trailer instead of that mess. And it should work. Right? I would hope. Otherwise, I've broken everything. Okay. Got the echo done. Now we do a normal echo. That goes back into the track that we had before. Close that up. And we don't need that yet. We're not working on this yet. Well, Control S. Will it work? I certainly hope so. Bodies on your shoulders, leave a you for this one. Okay. Did I drink up all my drink? I did. Damn it. I broke something again. Okay. Thinking. So let's see. Is it possible now to insert a new game into that database we made earlier? into this. Oh, you can't see yet. Into this. So far, we only have one record in here. And I need to actually change this because that's not what I want it to be. I don't want it to be watch. I want it to be that new URL, which you just put in there for replacement, which is, bump, 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 bump. I should just do a trim. It'll be a lot easier if I just did a trim, honestly. That would have saved me a lot of work, honestly. Okay. Okay. I wonder though, is it possible to pull all this up that way? Using that exact same data. There's nobody to come through for me, but I couldn't cry. Now I know if I did, would you still leave? How could I? Okay. Okay, so I changed it in the database. Sort of. You only see one thing in the database. Okay. Make sure I'm logged into the website. It's going to be the same data, hopefully. Ima Sakamoto. Okay, not that one. I need to be the other one. There's nobody to come through for me. Okay, so make sure I'm live. Make sure my cookie's still active. Okay, my cookie's still active. Good. Now I'm going to open up a new path with the file I just created. And I'm looking for add.php. Hopefully it works. Oh, did I set it up to go? I did not set it up to go to the right form. Upload r.php. Upload r.php. And make sure it goes to that file. Otherwise, we're going to have a big problem because it ain't going to go anywhere. Come through for me. I couldn't cry. No, if I did, would you still leave? How could I? Bubbly. Stopping me. I hope this works. Go, God. My God. I really told you. Oh, that's a boogie. Okay. My games or voucher. Okay. Try to understand. Is it our voucher? One more chance. To the multiple. Cause out to the day that go. I know you have it to hurt you. The guy you cool. Add that PHP. Okay. Should have tried and before your eyes. Okay, let's grab something from Steam real quick. A different game. My eyes. Okay. SW4 DX. Let's try that. Let's use that as my example here. Okay. Let's hope it works. Crossing my fingers, hoping it works. Crossing my fingers, hoping it works. Or DX. Four, 2. Koiteko. I cannot spell. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All the biggest stuff I'm making it. Is there a trailer for Samurai Warriors 4 DX? I have no idea. That's a good way to test it. Really? Okay, let's say. Only New York? Really? Fine, we'll use that one. I was hoping you'd use the American one, but oh well. Oh, keep me an eye. Okay, got the trailer. Oh, God. Look how crappy that mess is. Look how long and crappy that mess is. It better work. It better work. Okay? It better work. Category. Yusu. PC. Okay, I need to change that because I didn't see that was there. I need to change that to be a little bit lighter. Submit. Cross my fingers. Hoping it works. Please work. Well. Okay, I see a bunch of errors. What the hell did I screw up this time? I think I messed up on my upload script because it's reading something from a different folder. Let's see here. What was important is, did it get it put in the database? No, it didn't. It did not go in the database. God damn it! What the hell, man? What did I do wrong? Did I not link it to the right path? What the hell, man? It read the data. Did it read the database? DB link. Oh. Maybe I need to duplicate the DB link? I think it's because I moved the DB link. I should have made it its own thing. Dang it. I don't know. I have no idea. Can I copy you? Can I duplicate you? No, I can't. Hmm. What happened? Why are you not showing anything? View page source. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, God damn it. Hmm. My games. Okay. Oh, it's not reading the name of the file. It doesn't have, it didn't upload anything. It didn't upload anything. Piece of crap. And that didn't read the variable. Ah, okay. So where's trailer? What's my trailer data? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, damn it! Fuck. Well, it is reading the database, or it's reading the cookie at least. So that means that there's a hole in my variables. So let's do a different way. Let's try to force it to recognize that there's a variable in here with another method. Ah. Uh-uh. 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 Don't hurt me like that. Uh-uh. Come on. Forcing all of these to recognize that there are external variables and not the actual thingies here. Oh. Oh, no. I hate when they do that. It makes it so hard when they have it on the edge. I have to keep checking that stuff. Jeez. Okay. Oh! Sentence! I forgot the name of the thingy. No? Take out the word sentence and put it over here. And put that in as a variable. Get rid of the sentence because we don't need sentence. Take a simple one. Why can't I do a trim? I just want to trim something out. Can I trim something out? That would be so much easier. Why not just delete it? Thinking. If I replace all that crap and then just leave it as that, let's try that. I think I got it. Get that out of here. Come on. I have an idea. Okay, copy that. Control X. Ah! What the hell was that? I don't know what that was, but it scared me. Replace that with a space, with a nothing. That's gonna be my trim. And then I'm gonna put you here. Then I'm gonna put my escape dot dot. Huh? Oh, I see that you wrong. Hope it works. Hoping it works. I'm hoping it works. Wish me luck. Oh shit. I lost the URL. God damn. Shouldn't have closed it. Ugh. I broke it. Oh god. Ah. Make sure you're refreshed. Okay, let's refresh all that. Okay. Make sure everything's refreshed. Let's try this again. I hope. Test. I'll change it later. Got my fingers? Well, we got something. Okay. Yeah, they didn't want to cut it. But the question is, did it go in the database? I see data. I don't see uploads, but did data get through? It's the question. That's all I want to see. Did data get through? That's all I need to find out. Let me see. Did data get through? Why are you acting stupid? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It did not. God damn it. Oh well. I think I'm just going to call it quits for today, guys. I don't know I can pull this off because it's driving me nuts. Oh. Well, that certainly would have helped. What the hell? I didn't take... the hell, man? What the hell? Why? Do all this stuff to me? Boo-boo head. Oh. Why is it every time I try this, it wants to act stupid? This is why everything looks a mess. It's because when I try to categorize it into individual folders, it doesn't want to read the same functions. What the heck? I don't know. Let me hide this for a second. I need to do something stupid. I'm gonna try something really stupid. Um, what the frick are you? Where are you at? Get your butt over here. I lost it. Dang it. Now I'm wondering, did it even upload? Update. Excuse you. Okay. Okay. Set permissions. Maybe it's not because I don't have the permissions right. Hopefully. That might have been it. Okay. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe it didn't upload the file. And it broke all my scripts. But then the variable for the YouTube video should have worked, right? Or could it be that URL was so crappy that it didn't want to work? Okay, so let's see. I'll make you fly. Okay. I don't know what the hell that other crap was, or maybe that's what broke it. I'm about to find out. I'll try one more time, hopefully. We are the rock stars. Oh, God. Otherwise, I'm just going for an iframe because I'm getting sick of this. Or I just make it a link. Instead of embedding it, I just make it a damn link. So I ain't deal with this shit anymore. Okay. Got the trailer to work. The trailer's working. I don't know about the picture though. I don't know where the hell this picture's going to. So let's see what's going on. Into a new tab. Okay. It's not uploading. Why aren't you uploading? Maybe it's a path I need to fix. Softer than rain, harder than pain. Don't be afraid and dress your secrets. I'm going to kick your stinking fake ass because you drive me totally mad. You change the folder type in a different path. Maybe that might fix it. And let me change the permissions on that. Hopefully. Hopefully it works. I'll make you feel the dragon to fly. I'll make you fly. I'll make you fly. My question is, did it go in the database too? Please tell me it did, because I'm going to cry if it didn't. It did not. What the fuck, man? Will not have this set up in the database, right? I don't know. Let's see. It's not recognizing the image source file. So somehow the variable for the uploaded image is not coming out as the uploaded image. I don't know what it is, but it's not uploading the image. So why aren't you uploading my image? And why aren't you? It's pulling the variables from the form, but it's not inserting it into the database. That's another problem. You can't have that. Let me see here. I'm thinking here. I need to look at the deep code of my stuff that I can't show on screen. Back off! Back off! Oh, I see. So I gotta do it twice, huh? Okay. I had this in two parts. So let's change that. Let's switch it up. How about if I do this? Let's try to change it to where it's only going to read that. Okay. Save that. Have it read a different file, hopefully. I'm ready for combat, ready for rage. Crazy. Why you like that? You like that? Ready for combat, ready for war. Let's see if it works. Cross my fingers, hoping it works. Please work. I really need to change that icon though. No, it doesn't. It can't exist already. So I renamed it something totally different. Ah. Okay, but did it re-upload in the database? It's a question. Please, just one. Insert it. You're so evil. I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I truly hate you. You're gonna make me do something I don't want to do. God damn it. Fine. I didn't want to do this. Okay. Fine. Fine. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Okay. Screw you. Okay. Save as. And we're not putting in our voucher, putting it in there. Copy. Yes. No, actually, because I already changed it. Okay, upload R. It's worth a shot, but fine. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll find out. I am so tired of fighting with this. Oh! Sandy, you idiot. Hold on. I think I see the problem. Nope, it didn't upload it there either. God damn it. I hate you. I hate you so much. Okay. You know what? I don't care. I am just going to go for uploads. Do I have a photo called uploads? Yeah, we have a photo called uploads. What's going on here? 7:55. It is 7:55. Why can I never move this folder? It's supposed to be 7:55. That's what worked before, so why won't it work now? Or about your icons. Do I not have a second spot to put it at? I don't know. I am so losing my mind right now. I am so losing my mind right now over one little bitty tiny thing that I can't figure out. It's driving me nuts. Target DRR, base name, file's name. Cover. Cover is supposed to be var. And cover is supposed to be a exploded variable. So Control S. What have I done? Oh crap, I broke something. I broke something again. Refresh all the remote files, make sure everything's changed. Because I'm about to break something. I'm about to break something here. Oh god. What's the name of that file again? I forgot. Oh, crap. Did I just not say that in the right folder? I think I have. Oh, God. Okay. Let's change the background of this. Just so I can know this is a different picture. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. All right. Add RV. Let's try it. Yeah, no. Don't change it. Just save it. Add RV. Upload. No. No. I'm hoping I got it right this time. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. Let's see. Okay. RV. Take away that folder. Let's see if I can get it without the folder. Okay. It's reading. It's reading the newer one. So we're on the right track. Let's try this again. Hopefully. And find a way to lead me to you. Test 3. I don't know. Oh. Keep it simple, Stanley. Don't get all that crap in here. Each other's heart. God damn it. What the hell? I don't know what to do anymore. Okay, well, let's see. Did it update this time? At least tell you got into the database. Let me accomplish something today. No, it did not. God damn it. I quit. 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 God damn it. You guys want to know why it takes me so long to add new features to the site? That's why. That's why. Because every time I think I got it fixed, something wrong happens and it won't read the data that's supposed to read. So I don't know what's going on. It's pissing me off and it's making me angry and I want to go kick his butt and it makes me angry and I'm angry and I'm angrier than I am angry and then I'm angrier than I already am and now I'm super angry and I don't even know what to do because I'm super angry right now. I am so angry that I'm angry and I'm so angry that I'm about being angry that I'm angrier than and angry than I already am. So I'm angry. Did I mention I'm angry? I am so angry. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do. What? I don't know. I had it working under some systems, but then it didn't want to work on the other systems. And I don't know which system was working. I don't know. I'm so upset. So, let's see here. What else can I do? I know I did this before, just trying to figure out how did I do this? How did I pull this off? How? Ugh. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so angry. I want to cry now. It's always down. I'm only crazy nice feeling right now. I don't know what to do. I'm breaking somehow. I know I got something working. I don't know what is going so wrong. I need to see what I'm doing. I need to see what I'm doing. Maybe I could just cut out. Why don't I just. Fuck. Okay. I don't know how I did it before, but I have something that's working already for every user. So I will set it up where you guys can access that listing and vote or select from those selections instead with your our vouchers. It's the only way to do it. I can't give as much search material as I would before. You guys gonna have to look up the data yourself because I am not gonna waste my time with all this anymore. I'm just gonna go by titles and systems. My head hurts so bad. But I think I need a break. Let's close it all up. Let me think. I really need to move that over here. There we go. Okay. Okay. So let's see. So we do have my game library. So I have some games listed. So I just need a way for you guys to access this list. Why is my face not reading? Excuse you. Excuse you. Don't act stupid here. So, what page is this? Um, data list mine. Okay, data list mine. Data list mine. Uh, close all this shit up. Um, like read it. Okay. Okay. Let's try something simple. I'm gonna try something simple first. New file. Okay, simple file. Come on. Come on. Come on. Make a new file. Okay. Sandy's games.php. God damn it. Do I have something on here? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is literally copy everything except for one little tiny thingy. Copy. Okay, so we got this listing here. It's my avatar. Okay. Get rid of that. Don't need to edit. Get rid of that. Hopefully it works. SandyGameSet.php. Let's see if it works. What's it called again? Sandy Games Set. Oh, okay. That kind of works. It kind of works. That's a good start. So if my calculations are right, this means that you guys should be able to see my listing here. Tell me if you can see it without logging in. Hopefully it works. Does it work for you guys? I hope. I hope. A lot of windows. I think. Okay, good. So we're on the right track. We got something to work with, I think. I ain't gonna worry about having to get all detailed and all that junk. I just want you guys to have access to the listing. So I'm going to go ahead and focus on just adding the rest of my games to this listing. And then I'll set up the link to read our vouchers to allow you guys to click on each of these to make a selection that'll show up in my panel. So when you guys make a selection, I'll be able to open up a page and it'll tell me if anyone has a request, and I'll be able to check off each request as I get them done. That's what I'll do. I'll keep it simple. Okay, so I'm just not gonna worry about pictures. You guys can look it up yourself. I'm not fighting with the rest of that. I can't reach the folder though. One sec. Oh my gosh, my head hurts. I need a stretch. I'm in love with the music. Ow, 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 ow. I stretched and I pulled my arm. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, I guess you guys can't see it on YouTube vertical, huh? I guess you can't see it because I kind of broke it. I kind of broke it. Sorry. It ain't pretty, but at least it's working. At least I could actually have a place to catalog all my games. At least. That's so much. Wow, 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 wow. Ouch. Okay, what am I doing? Oh God, that hurts my arms. Oh, I still need to put you in here. I guess I need some more water. Let me get some water real quick while I have my headphones off and I pause the music so that YouTube can't pick it up. Okay, so how am I going to do this? I want to use my voucher system, but only if a person has an R voucher. And I don't want to search, have it I don't want it to be used up. I just want it to have like a different file record for whenever a person puts in a request where it matches up the game title with the username and the date stamp. That's what I'm thinking I want. I think. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I'm aiming for. Oh God, I have so many games. Okay. So let's look at the website list. So I am going to add games from my game library here. So yes, I'm using the system you guys see right here because this is the only thing I got that worked. I don't know how I got it to work, but it's working. Did I at least add PS4? Yeah, PS5 is in here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Do I have Bladestorm on here? Yeah, I'm looking at Bladestorm. Yes, Bladestorm is here. I saw Arslan on here. Do I have Blue Reflection? Yes, I do. Okay, that covers page 1. Dead or Alive Ultimate. I don't see any Dead or Alive games on here. What the heck? um, some of that more here. You guys can see what I'm doing. um, one Ultimate. And this is on Xbox Original. Yeah, technically. Yeah, that's gotta change. Okay. Dead or Alive 2 Ultimate. Also on Xbox. Dead or Alive 3. I don't think there was an ultimate of it that I know of. Xbox. Yep. Zero Life 4. That is on Xbox 360. Okay, I think that's all the Zero Life ones, right? They have one disc. No, what you doing? I didn't say do that. Go ahead. Come on. Okay. I did that twice, so I need to get rid of that. Also, I did have this on here. What the heck? Okay, I screwed up. How did I get Xbox and X? Oh, God. What the hell? How did I miss that? So I screwed up a lot already. I screwed up majorly because I didn't realize I already had it on here. Okay, one. Which one's the more recent one? Oh, which one's the older one? Okay, so I just edit all the older ones and replace with a different game. That will do it. And do I have the Cydia? Yeah, the Cydia's on here. Dragon Quest Builders 2. Do I have that? Yep, I do. Okay. Dragon Quest Heroes 2. Got it. Dynasty Warriors 2. Got it. Dynasty Warriors 3. Got it. Dynasty Warriors 4. Got it. Dynasty Warriors 4. Extreme Legends. Got it. Dynasty Warriors 4 Empires. Got it. Dynasty Warriors 5. Hell yeah, I got that. Dynasty Warriors 5 Empires. Dynasty Warriors 5 Extreme Legends. Check, check, check. Dynasty Warriors 6. Dynasty Warriors 6 Empires for PS3. Dynasty Warriors 6 Empires for Xbox 360. Okay. Dynasty Warriors 7. Dynasty Warriors 7 Extreme Legends. Dynasty Warriors 7 Extreme Legends Definitive Edition I have on Steam, so I'm good with that. Okay. Sengoku Musu Empires. How do I put this in and have it in Japanese? I don't know the Japanese title of it, but yeah. Oh God, that's huge. Yeah, I'll go for the Romaji. Technically, I have it. I have it in Japanese, so. God damn. It's not the exact same as the one I have on PS3 digital, so. I need the music. Where's the music? I need the music. Where is it? Let's give it one of those Dead or Alive then. One, 4, 6, 9. That fixed that problem. There we go. Okay, got that. Okay, so we have Dynasty Warriors 8 and Dynasty Warriors 8 Empires. 8. 8 Empires. 8 Empires also on PS4. Do I have it on Steam? I don't know if I have this on Steam or not. Do I? Let's find out. No, I don't. I have 8 Extreme Legends. I don't. Oh. I do have this on Steam. Okay. When the hell did I buy this? Okay. I guess I got another one to change. One of those I messed up on. Replace it. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Now what's next? Dynasty Warriors 9 Empires. And Dynasty Warriors 9 too, technically. Okay, Dynasty Warriors 9 on Steam. Dynasty Warriors 9 Empires on PS4. Okay. Dynasty Warriors Strike Force. Have it on 360 and PS3. Good. Dynasty Warriors Gundam 1 on 360. Gundam 2 on 360. Gundam 3 on 360. And Gundam 3 on PS3. Yep, got it. Destrega. That's a new one. I don't have that one here, do I? That's a more recent one. DEST. Oh, I do have that one. Wow, I didn't expect to have that actually. Destrega. Okay, what about my Kessens? Kessen's pretty new. Did I add that to my collection? Yep, Kessen 1, Kessen 2, Kessen 3. Got it. Which Nobunaga edition is this? Sphere of Influence. I guess I do have this one. But I have a different one on PS2, don't I? I think I have Rise to Power. I think I have Rise to Power on one of these systems, but I don't remember which one. I don't know which one I got it on. Exactly. That's why I need a database. Just to remember what the hell do I got. Let's see. Do I have the Kinero Decoro games on here? Because I'm not going to copy and paste all that. That's a mess. Yep. I do have my little quarter of the Oro games. That's two Encore, two original. Do I have Koei's Mystic Warriors game? Mystic Heroes, I mean, yeah. Okay. The original Xbox 360 Ninja Gaiden 2. Ninja Gaiden 2, Ninja Gaiden 2, Ninja Gaiden 2! Yep, there you are. Okay. Okay, Ninja Gaiden 3 for PlayStation 3. Got it. Ninja Gaiden 3 Razor's Edge for PS3. Got it. Romance of the Three Kingdoms 8 for PS2. Yep, got it. Oh gosh. Okay. Romance of the Three Kingdoms 10. Got it. The original Samurai Warriors for PlayStation 2. Did I get to that? I'm not seeing it. Okay, here we go. We got some new stuff to put in now. Apparently, I did not get as far as Samurai Warriors. Let's see if we get rid of those duplicates we had in there before. Cause you're everywhere to me. Okay. Okay, edit you. Okay, instead of that, it's going to be original Samurai Warriors. PS2. Okay. And which one's the more recent one? 1672. Samurai Warriors Extreme Legends. That's a wonderful cut and copy and paste system. It's going to be showing up a lot. PS2. I think that's all the duplicates, right? Yeah, everything's covered now. Okay, so now I can go back to adding new stuff. Samurai Warriors 2 on PS2. PS2? Where the hell are you? Okay. Okay. Samurai Warriors 2 Extreme Legends. That's on PS2. Okay. I'm missing one. I don't know where my Samurai Warriors 2 Empires is. I know I have it. I just don't know where it is. It's not in my binder. Maybe it's not. Probably in another binder. I'll hopefully find it. Okay. Samurai Warriors 3. And that is exclusive to the Wii. Come on now. Nintendo Wii. Actually, that's not ready to play because I haven't plugged it up yet, but oh well. Okay, I think I have the 8-layer games here. Oh dear. Arlen Trilogy. Do I have all the Arlen games on here? Oh no. I need to know what's in this Arlen Trilogy. Okay. Let me think. Because I have a disc with the entire trilogy. So I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm gonna have to look it up. I know one of them is Aisha. No. Verona. Okay. 8-layer Verona, Totori, and Meriview. Okay. That's what those are. Okay. Now this one's I'm adding now. Verona, Totori, and Meriview. This originally came out on PS3, but I wound up. My first introduction to the 8-layer series was these 3 games on a single PS3 disc. So I lucked out. I need the whole title though. Give me the whole title. Jeez. Okay, just give me the whole freaking title. I'm not okay. Just give me. I want to fight you. Just let me copy it. I don't need to. I think I also have this somewhere else too. I'm not sure. I think I have this on Switch. I think I added this whole trilogy to my Switch. I could be wrong, but I might have. Okay, this is PS3. Yep, yep, I have a lot of those. I think I have just about all of the ones they have available on the modern systems. Now I'm ready to work on to the going backwards beyond that, like the PS2 era ones. That's ones I'm missing now. PS2. Okay. So I have Alien Rorona. I don't have the DX version of it, but I think I have it on Switch. I guess I can't show. Well, actually, I can't tell. I just open up my Switch. My Switch. Oh God, this thing is heavy. Shows how little, very infrequently I play my Switch too. I forgot how heavy it was, and apparently I forgot to charge it. God damn. Well, that ain't gonna help. I gotta remember to charge this thing because it hasn't been charged in I don't know how long. Gosh dang it. Okay. Okay, what else do we have? What else is part of this trilogy? Okay, we got Verona. What else is on this disc? So the second one, Atelier Tortori. I haven't played Tortori yet, but it's the second game on the disc. I haven't finished the first one, so I haven't started it yet. But I have it. I can literally play it at any time. Big Kitty threw some. I got. Big Kitty threw some of your Steam stickers before it got borked. What? They didn't get stickers? Aw. Ain't right. I have this on PS. Yeah, my PS3 games are always ready to play. Same for my PS2 games. My Wii games, I actually need to change that because I don't think I have the Wii plugged up yet. The Wii and the Wii U are the only ones that are, and the PlayStation TV are the only ones I don't have plugged up right now. And what's the third one in that trilogy? That I believe was Meru. Also, I do finally have the end of this one. The fourth game in this series. I have that on my Switch. I actually did add that to my Switch. Actually, I could just look at the other Switch. The Switch is plugged up. Switch 2 is not. I can't win. Are you happy? And this is also PS2. PS3. Okay. Meru. Okay. So that covers that. What else do I have on disc? Sengoku. Then Goku. Musu. Z3 on the PS3. This is the PS3 version of Samurai Warriors 3. It was only released on PS3 in Japan, while the rest of the world only got the Wii version. So I got the higher quality version of Samurai Warriors 3. I just can't understand a damn what's going on. That's all. But I got it. Okay. Okay, Samurai Warriors 4. I need to double check on this one. There's a double edge on this one. Okay. Samurai Warriors 4, I have in multiple formats. I have Samurai Warriors 4 digitally on my PS3. Okay. And I have Samurai Warriors, oh gosh, 4 2 on PS4. And I have the version that combined them on the Switch on Steam. Okay, Samurai Warriors Spirit of Sanada. Of Sanada. I have that on PlayStation 4. Why don't I just have this in the easy way to read format? Okay. And the most painful game I've ever played, Samurai Warriors Katana. I had that on the Nintendo Wii. And that hurt like hell playing that game. It will really, literally hurt your arms. Oh, I need to change that. I need to add Switch 2. Oh, I need to turn on Fishy. Fishy hasn't been turned on yet. I'm still. It's Fishy's broken for a bit because I need to figure out how to get it to work again. It didn't want to listen to me yesterday, so I stopped it. Sorry. I was trying to set it up where every time someone uses Fishy, it would show their icon, but then all of a sudden my variable stopped working, and I decided just to wait. Huh? Okay, voucher should work. Okay. Okay, you did get your voucher. Okay, so I need to give you a voucher while I'm on here then. Okay. 1 second. Let me put this in here first. I need to find Nintendo Wii first. I forgot I didn't add Switch 2 to the listing. Okay. Okay. One voucher? Trying to get to the site because it worked under your shop link. Oh. Well, I'll just do it this way. Why can't I copy this stuff? Yeah, you guys can't hear the music unless you're on Kick, because I ain't gonna risk any copyright crap. Okay. Hey, what the hell? Did I break something again? I think I broke something again. Okay, there you go. Voucher's been awarded. I remember what you had. Well, let's see about this. How about if I do it this way? I will reward you with 1 normal voucher, 1 S voucher, and 5 vouchers that will be added to your bank that you can use at any time you want. There you go. So when you log in, you have at least 6 vouchers you can use, including one of the blue ones. I can't look at it now because I don't want to expose your information, so. Yeah, just go to TokyoPopRocks.club and you'll be able to get to the website. Or just type an exclamation point the list and it will actually give you the link to it as well. Ow! My feet hurt. So what is this page? Oh, the list. THE. Yeah, there it is. Did it list it? Why isn't it not listing it? You know what? See, this is why I don't like using third-party sites, because they suck. Do it. I'll put it in myself. There we go. That fixes it. Easy peasy fix. Okay. Let's see here. I saw that I had an issue I need to fix here. My game library. I need to view page source. Okay, game data entry needs to be updated. Game data entry. Game data entry. Game data entry. Not edit. Entry is it. Come on, you. Just give me the freaking picture. Just give me the picture. That takes 2 things here. First, I need to add Switch 2 as an option because now I have games on Switch 2 I need to add in. Once I finally charge that sucker. And who would have thought it figured? Play it safe. Was afraid to fly. Inside his suitcase. Kissed his kiss goodbye. was holding. Did I add Vita on here? Yeah, I did. Okay. Save it. Make sure it's saving. Oh, okay. Where's the form updating to? Game data submit. Yeah, we got a problem with one of these scripts here. That's pissing me off. Doesn't show anything if I try via shop URL. Huh? Shop URL. Try the voucher link in the shop site. Shop. Oh, you mean on. Are you talking about from here? I think that might be the problem. If it's this, I haven't updated this in forever. This definitely has to be the next one. Yep, this one I haven't updated in forever. I need to. I haven't updated this since I made my my hat model, my denim hat model. It's been that long since I touched it. I really do need to make some more merch stuff. Sheesh, where are you? Um, where are you at anyway? Oh, Ginkgo vouchers. Yeah, that's not. It was supposed to be an embed, but the system kind of worked on it. So just delete the word. Saying just go to TokyoPopRocks.club. Link also broke for the merch link shout. Yep, I definitely got to fix that. Stuff I got to fix. Look what happens when I don't have any time to fix anything. The stream stuff is broken. The website stuff is broken, and I keep breaking more stuff as I try to fix stuff. I tried to make an entirely different web page, and then I wound up breaking that in the process while I was breaking it. Merch link shop. Okay, so I'll fix that as well. That's also that's what Social Stream Ninja. I'm thinking it needs to fix that. Not Social Stream Ninja, but Botrix. Yeah, you need to fix that mess. Let's see. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Sheesh, I have so many commands I haven't even updated, used them forever. Yeah, none of the merch links work because there's different merches. So it makes it went nope. So they downgraded the net setup. Yeah, I need to definitely fix this because this is reading links of bundles that don't even work anymore. I was trying to set it all up to go through StreamerBot instead, but I having hard time getting Social Stream Ninja and StreamerBot to be nice to each other. If I could get Social Stream Ninja to send commands to StreamerBot, then I could have everything reading all the same scripts across the any platforms instead of having to recreate them for every single platform. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Yeah, I think it's also let me see. When you did merge, what was popping up? I think that might be something else. So I know merch 1 is listed here, but not actual merch. So let me see something. If I could fall. That's YouTube. I need Twitch chat. What shows up? Yeah, I can't see it on my screen. I have to SillySandyAJ Tokyo Pop Rock Club. Okay. I think it's because that one is not. Let me see here. It doesn't give a link directly, huh? Huh. You have a moderator purposes. I see it now, but I don't know why it's not given to as a clickable link. Might be something with my settings probably. I probably have all links disabled most likely. I found the one you're talking about. It's supposed to have moderator options to let it override that to put a link in there. I don't know. 'Cause if I could do it. Oh God. Okay, that's not helping me. Yes, I just probably need to either update the bot permissions or just do it all through StreamerBot and just have it go through my channel instead of going through the BotRix channel. That's what I'll do. I'll just set it up where StreamerBot will handle all of my commands instead of BotRix and everything. At least I can get it to work on some platforms. I can get it to work on Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and Trovo, but I can't get it to work on anything else. And I've also given up on TikTok, so that's not a problem anymore. Screw TikTok. Fuck TikTok. I hate TikTok. TikTok have screwed me for the last time. Yep. That's just a lot of stuff. I was working on changing my entire merch system into an online mall where streamers could put in all of their affiliate links and viewers could actually go to that mall and see all of the stores that are tied to that streamer. That was going to be my next project I was working on until I got issues that held me up. But that is my next major project once I get this freaking system set up with the other vouchers. Is I'm going to make a full-on mall where people could actually link new products that they want to push, and they can link all of their major affiliate web link hubs and just have it that way. Make it simple. I've never seen that site, but I don't know how that works, but I just know that I'm just going to have it set up where people can streamers can add their own affiliate links and then just share their page of the mall with their community. And then I have little advertisements for other streamers they can look at, or other contents or other sales that are other streamers are offering that they might also be interested in if they choose so. But like that, it'll literally be an online mall. Ah, okay. Yeah, it won't be that pretty. It won't be like that, but it'll be pretty much a simple interface where people could actually just scroll through and go through a little mall directory and pick out the stuff they want. Like me, I have affiliate links with so many things. I have affiliate links with computers, with live autographs, with energy drink. I have it with humble bundles. So yeah, and if someone has like a mobile game sponsorship, they can have like banner ads that can be shown throughout the mall that they can get people to interact with as well. So I want to do that too. At least that's the idea. What was I doing? Oh yeah, colors. Hey, what page is this? I'm going to have to change the page properties of this because this page is pissing me off. Okay, so I did do a STR replace before. Okay. Okay, so I need to go for font color white, right? Font color equals white. Don't you add all that crap on me. Come on. I didn't tell you to add double quotations. I said single. Don't act stupid on me. Come on. I just want to change it to white text. That's all I want. Oh, no. Font. Look at the names of my variables. Insert into that game database. Game name. Who has it? System. Ready to play. I literally name my variables that way. Okay, so, do I have Stranger in Paradise? Just so control love. Nope, I don't have it. Okay. Stranger of Paradise. Stranger of Paradise. Final Fantasy Origin. That is on the PlayStation 4. I should just split this up. All right, there we go. I can see the text now. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, do I have Tokiden 2 on here? Toukide. I don't. Okay. How do I spell Tokiden? I don't remember. Oh, shit balls. Oh, no, this is going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Okay. This is going to be a really interesting one here. Because not only do I have Tokiden Kiwami, which I don't think I saw on here, on Steam, I also have Tokiden 2 on PS4. Come on now. Okay. And I have Tokiden Age of Demons, the original Tokiden game, on PlayStation Vita. That is not ready to play because I don't have the PlayStation TV plugged up yet. Okay. We have Trinity Souls as OL. No, I don't. Seriously? Why can't you make this easier for me? Why not? I can't spell all that. There you go. I'm not going through all that. Just copy and paste that mess. Just copy and paste that mess. And that is on PS 3. Warriors All Stars. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. And I have that on PlayStation 4. Legends of Troy? Nope, I don't have that on here. Uh-oh. Warriors, Legends of Troy. The only Dynasty Warriors game I really couldn't get into. I tried. It just didn't feel like a Warriors game. Wasn't over the top. Okay. How my feet? How my feet? Let me sec. Feet, my feet, my feet, my feet, my feet. Owie, 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 owie. It hurts so much. How many games are we on now? How many games are added? How many do I have left of my 4,000 games? Oh, okay. I'm only at 276. Only 276 games are listed so far. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Mm. That's me. Okay, alone. Okay. Macaroni and cheese. Okay. What time is it? I think I'm going to go ahead and take a break now. I'm going to go ahead and turn in. I'm getting really sleepy. And I'm still kind of sulking over my failure this earlier evening. So I'm going to probably see you guys tomorrow, maybe. I'm going to spend a lot of time tomorrow working on my studies so I could go ahead and pass that test before Sunday. I'm gonna knock it out. I'm gonna do some typing, gonna do some reading, gonna listen to the presentation over and over again while I'm sleeping, and hopefully it'll stick in my head. But I'm sleepy. I'm tired. I'll see you guys later, okay? I can't like you that night. I'm sleepy. Ow, I'm really sleepy. There's actually nothing in my head right now. I'm just really thirsty. Night, night. So yeah, my next coding system after I update this entire listing is going to have to be fixing all of those links to work on StreamerPod, hopefully. I hope. I hope. I need to find out though, is it possible for me to fix why I can't get StreamerBot extension to work? Why can't I get the Social Stream Ninja to work with StreamerBot? The developer put up an instructions to do it, but something isn't connecting, and I can't get it to recognize the commands that are coming through. So I don't know if I'm missing something, or if I am doing it and I just don't have any way to actually trigger it or something. But I'm hoping that they add an official port to it, because if Social Stream Ninja, which lets you follow chat from all your platforms, and StreamerBot, which lets you customize any of your chat functions as you demand, join forces, they could literally pull off something that Stream Elements and Stream Labs can never do. Okay? It will be something really huge if they pull this off. So I'm hoping they work together. I'm hoping they make a solid port link that work with it. I hope they actually read it as a platform or something that'll make it even easier. And yeah, I think it's a good collaboration if they can get it to do it. I really want them to. I actually upvoted on the streaming bot forums an area where they were actually asking for actual streamer bot support. So I'm hoping they do it. I'm hoping maybe I should probably post it again next time and see if you guys could help push it or boost it for for them so they can actually put it more priority. Because once that happens, all of my scripts are going to work. I could bring back all of my past features. I could bring back the cafe with a variable matching system instead of an actual individual image matching system. I could actually bring in all of my commands will be able to be updatable directly from StreamerBot instead of me having to go through all my platforms. I could use I could actually have a combined point system where everyone's will earn channel points, and actually I could actually have it where no matter what platform you watch me on, you're earning channel points you could use to get it, even if you're watching me from a service that doesn't have channel points. So I'm still looking for that too. I really want to take this thing to the next level. I really, really do. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream. I'll go ahead and give you guys the link of all my listings so far. If you are interested in seeing what games I have available, I did make this page work. It has been updated now. So if you are interested in seeing what games I have, what 276 games I have listed so far, that's going to be the link for it. You don't even have to log in to see it. But eventually, I'm going to have it set up where it's going to be linked. This page will be linked into the R voucher system, where you guys can use your R vouchers to select a game from this list you want me to play one day per week. And I'll be following a queue of everyone who puts in a request. So say like let's say like Quay picks out one game. I say this week will be Quay, and Quay has picked this game, and that's what we'll do. It's going to be constantly an ongoing thing. And I think it's a good way to let people choose things they want to see, and help me isolate what I should play when I'm having a hard time picking myself. And it also, with it being voted that way, I could actually make sure it's installed and ready to run and everything too. So yeah, that will help. Okay, any questions or comments before we wrap things up? I'm sleepy. Reach out beyond. And also with this, the way I have this page set up, I don't have to be on my computer to finish updating it. I could literally log in from my tablet and type in all the titles while I'm laying in my bed. That's the good thing about it. Ah, but as you guys saw, my Koei Tecmo games alone takes a whole lot of time. And that's just my physical ones. I'm not counting on my digital ones. My digital ones I have on Steam, on PS3, on PS4, on Switch, on Vita. I got a lot. Okay. I see you later. Bye bye. Stopping that stream. Stopping. Stop, 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 stopping. Stop, 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 stop.